welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sale. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a gorgeous, one of my favorite year convertible Mustangs. It's a 1970. It's red on red with a beautiful white convertible top, powered by a nice 302 V8. This car is absolutely stunning. Come on up, let's take a look. This is one stunning vehicle. This car just pops. It's so beautiful. It's powered by a 302 V8 motor, said to be the original motor in here. It has power steering, power front disc brakes. It has a brand new top on it, brand new Magnum 500s. This car is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the paint. Paint's in very nice shape. There's one area right here where there's a couple little, it looks like something maybe they did when they painted it. Probably can't see it on video, but there's, you gotta look at it on an angle. There's some little dots. Besides that, the paint's impeccable on this car. Chrome's in very nice shape along with the window trims. Brand new beautiful Magnum 500s. It's got a brand new top on it. Power top, which I'm sure you saw in the video. Check out the trunk. Let's see what's in there. Oh my God, it's a body. Get a car cover with it. Trunk's really nice and solid, original in here. It's a beautiful car. I'd drive this car to California. You got the spare, you got the jack in there. Absolutely phenomenal. Nothing like good Ford steel. Inside the car is my favorite part. This red stunning interior. It's just absolutely looks so cool. Dash, there's no cracks. There's some kind of pad up there somebody put on the middle of the dash. But it is absolutely a 10. Don't forget to join 7 Deadliest Mistakes to buying a car online. You can visit our website. Talk about a perfect car and a perfect day. I mean, it is beautiful today. We're driving this beautiful 70 Mustang Convertible. You don't see a whole lot of these. I don't know why that is. I think there is low production. This car is just in really solid, mechanically sound condition, and it is a true treat to drive. I know you've been looking. Quit looking and start buying. Give me a call at 248-974-9513. I'm always available to answer your questions. You can also visit us at VanguardMotorsales.com. And let me tell you, this car's for everybody. you can get in this car and drive it across country. Give us a call today. We can help you put your dreams in your driveway. Because at Vanguard Auto Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dreams in your driveway. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Join us for the next pass.